Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Parkinson's disease, a disorder of the central nervous system that affects movement, is the second most prominent neurodegenerative disease around the world after Alzheimer's disease. The disease finds mention in Ayurveda as well as the Bible and was first described as shaking palsy over 200 years ago by Dr. James Parkinson, after whom the disease is named. Till date, the world is still searching for a cure for Parkinson's disease. In a new study, researchers at the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, have found that energy deficiency in certain cells in the human brain can be the major cause for Parkinson's disease. The research could help improve the efficiency of energy delivery to these cells, which might finally lead to a cure for Parkinson's disease. Currently, the medical community is mostly focused on management of the disease. Research on the disease so far shows that Parkinson's disease is caused by the loss of dopaminergic cells in a region of the midbrain known as substantia nigra pars compacta. Dopaminergic cells are collections of neurons in the central nervous system that synthesize dopamine, which is a signaling chemical that plays a part in controlling the movements a person makes as well as their emotional responses. However, so far researchers had not understood the cause of this cell loss. Using a computational model, a team at IIT Madras showed that energy deficiency might be a major cause of cell loss in Parkinson's disease. The computational model showed that at the subcellular level, metabolic deficiency leads to several changes. This includes an aggregation of a protein known as alpha-synuclein. The function of this protein is not well understood, but it has been associated with degeneration of neurons in past studies. The energy deficiency also increases calcium levels, which may lead to the formation of toxic clusters that are the hallmark of Parkinson's disease. The energy deficiency in cells also leads to dopamine dysfunction, which causes muscle spasms and loss of balance, which are again associated with Parkinson's disease. The findings of this research have been published recently in the peer-reviewed international journal Nature Scientific Reports, the link to which you can find in the description box below. According to the researchers, while existing treatments manage Parkinson's disease symptoms, sometimes with great effect, a cure demands an understanding of the root cause of the disease. They note that loss of neurons in a small area of the brain can have wide-ranging and devastating effects in all the four major domains of brain function, which are sensory motor, cognitive, affective, and autonomous. This research was undertaken at IIT Madras's Computational Neuroscience Laboratory, headed by Srinivasa Chakravarti, which aims to build a simplified model of the whole brain and use it to develop applications in medicine and engineering. Over the next 5 years, the team hopes to develop a framework that will help provide personalized medicines for Parkinson's disease patients. This is Mohana Basu for The Print. Follow us on social media for the latest news updates.